Okay, say bye Amsterdam. Where are we going? Can you say Copenhagen? Are you excited to be on a plane?
If you are new to our channel, we're the Garcia family vlog and we're traveling the world one city at a time. I told you guys it's going to be a long travel day, so we just took the subway from the airport to our hotel called the Crown Plaza Copenhagen Towers. There's only 2 stops away, and it's like right here. We are just going to stay here for one night because it was convenient to the airport. Tomorrow we're going to go check in to the famous Tivoli Hotel in downtown Copenhagen. As you guys know, I always forget to do room tours, but we are in a premium king executive suite, something like that. It's just a kind of a basic room, honestly, with a fancy name. Bathroom. It does have a bathtub, which is nice for the kids. Also a nice shower. And this is the room. We have a bed right there. Or a crib, I meant to say. So it's a really nice sized room. And cool views. I mean, we're just kind of... There's the mall right there. Nice views. And there's the ocean right there. Wow. So we're having another Iceland moment where everything is closed. There's literally 0 food options. I just went to Burger King, which is the only thing that was open, and they're closed due to lack of meat.
Morning. It is day 1 here in Copenhagen, Denmark, and we are just now waking up. It's about 9:30, and we are heading down to breakfast before they finish. They close at 10, so we got everybody up and dressed, and we're headed to breakfast.
Where's the card at?
I told them make potatoes.
So they have Danish chocolate that you can put on your pancakes. That's amazing. And I've showed you guys this. There's potatoes, eggs, and bacon.
There's one right there by your fork.
And they also have a little kids play area back there that kept them occupied while we got the food. So that was nice.
And they'll play there afterwards too. We found cortados all the way in Denmark. Reminds me of Miami. Hopefully it tastes the same.
We are taking the train to downtown Copenhagen to stay at the famous kid-friendly Tivoli Hotel in downtown Denmark. So Conrad's favorite thing every time we get to a hotel room is he likes to build things and wrap toilet paper around everything and create little obstacle courses and all kind of stuff, right Conrad? Block things off. And she is so happy because there's English Blue's Clues for the first time on this whole trip. English cartoons. There goes the toilet paper. He's gonna connect it to these 2 things and block this hallway off. Great tripping hazards. Okay, we are gonna go try the restaurant on the rooftop. It's called Sushi and Sticks. And Conrad loves sushi, so we're gonna go check out that restaurant. This is one of the most kid-friendly hotels in Copenhagen, and they even have a huge kids playroom that we will go check out in a little bit. This elevator is definitely trippy.
healthy for humans.
Okay, so we had to leave the sushi restaurant because the kids had a meltdown. So we just ended up ordering room service.
And with the kids, they were very tired and hungry and just kind of having a moment. So we had to leave and we decided to order some room service, which is just comes from the restaurant called Garcia, and it's inside the hotel. Okay, so we just got the chicken, oh gosh, what was it called now? Chicken schnitzel with fries, and it looks like veggie sticks and hummus. We got some fries also with the burger and the pizza.
I'm so hungry.
What'd you say?
I'm so hungry.
You're so hungry. The food's here, guys. Let's eat.
We are going down to -1 to go to the pool and the sauna. Where are you? Where are you?
You end up and it's so bright. So even getting to the sauna,
We just got back from the pool. It was really nice, and we have a view of the fireworks from our room over the Tivoli amusement park. All right, good afternoon, I should say. It's not really morning. This is the start of our vlog today. We are going to the mall to buy some clothes because Alicia threw away all my clothes, trying to get down to one suitcase back in Iceland, or after Iceland. So we're gonna go to the mall and get a few things since we're going home on the cruise. We are not limited to our baggage and having to lug around a bunch of luggage around different cities around Europe. If you don't know already, we're going on a 13-night transatlantic cruise back home to Florida with a stop off in the Azores, and we leave out of Copenhagen. That's why we're actually up here in Copenhagen now. So this is a little pre-cruise shopping, and then we're probably gonna go get some dinner somewhere at the mall as well, and then finish our night off probably at the pool and playground here at the resort. Just to kind of give you a reference point, this is our hotel right here, and that is the mall right.
Tonight, all you want via text, no response. Are you still up? Still thinking of us? Can we make up? It's so hard to forget all the bad things that went on between us. Those times were better. You know we were better. I know that we have us, but all I want.
So it is really coming down out there, so we just decided to kind of wait it out. Come up here to the playroom, let them play, and wait for it to stop raining, hopefully soon. This is the best perk I've ever had staying in a hotel, especially since I've had kids. This room was definitely a lifesaver.
They have a road that's elevated and it's specifically meant for bikes. And well, we just came to find an entrance that was accessible for the stroller because all the other ones are a lot of stairs and these don't look open. That doesn't look open at all. Yeah. You can go back around the front, okay?
We finally found a way into this mall, and look at this sculpture. It's like a bunch of little fish. Really, really cool.
We made it to our favorite restaurant of all time. Not. But it is just so easy. We were looking for like a food court. We thought there would be a food court at the mall, but there is no food court. But there does happen to be a McDonald's. So we did stop in here to grab the kids and ourselves something to eat. Me and Brandon both got a Starbucks because that was just pretty hard to resist. And now we're here and our little princess is out. She couldn't hang for the whole ride, but yeah, so we're just gonna out our belly here and maybe do a little shopping. I know it seems like we've been eating a lot of fast food on this European trip around the world, but we really haven't. It's in some countries like Sweden, or no, where are we now? Here we go. Denmark, Iceland. It's really hard to like find convenient food. I even asked the lady that worked for the van company like what they do for food there. Mostly I asked, do you guys just cook at home most of the time? And she said yes. And even when we have to bring our lunch to work, we bring something that we made at home. So obviously we can't do that. Did you hit your hand? I'm sorry. So we just, sometimes it's just so easy to grab McDonald's. The kids don't always want to sit and do the whole restaurant experience. So that's just why we end up here sometimes, because it's just easy and convenient. But it's not as much as it probably seems like in our videos. Is that Spirit?
Inside of this random toy store, we found a merry-go-round and then like an arts and crafts station. That was all free. So we went to the toy store, we went to a clothing store for me and Alicia, and we forgot to go to the grocery store, so we're going there right now, back up the hill.
Okay, how creepy looking is this? It's salami. One thing that we noticed a lot in Iceland, and we've also noticed it here in Denmark, is they are a very bike and moped friendly country. There's lots of programs for kids to learn how to ride their bike. There's even a park called the Children's Traffic Park, and they'll teach your kids how to ride a bike for free. So they really want you to get prepared to ride a bike and get around that way, and I love that. We aren't really used to that in most places in America. But it's pretty cool. They even have their own elevated road just for bikes. Me and Brandon always joke that we look like homeless people with our stroller full of stuff. But you have to purchase bags almost everywhere in Europe that we've been at the grocery store. They do not give you bags for free. Oh yes, and at the mall, me too. They're like, do you want a bag? I'm like, well, yeah. But yeah, they charge you, and I don't even know how much it was. I just said yes. But I did know that about the grocery stores, so we just don't buy bags if we don't have to, because we have this huge wagon stroller and we just stuff everything in there and go about our day.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Look at this one.
What else did Daddy give you? We just went toy shopping. What'd you get? Paw Patrol with Chase. Nope, he stays in there and rides along. And Kennedy got Sky, so you can play together.
We are going to go ahead and call it a night, probably go down to the pool and then just relax the rest of the day. Tomorrow we check into a new hotel right in the center of Copenhagen. We will see you tomorrow.